Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very brutal day today. Spent the majority of the day, after actually starting off strong, just completely falling and falling and falling. Now, to give some credit where credit's due, the price did eventually show some signs of strength with a little bit of a bounce up right there. But for the most part, it was all bears, and that's what's now putting the price down at a very interesting area as far as the technical chart is concerned. And for this, you need to squeeze down the charter a little bit to offer up context. But this key level, where so far so good, the price did bounce from it, is down here at $2.20. And if you go through the history of things, you can see the last time the price was down around $2.20, the price did do a good job and actually created a good solid bounce. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the last time the price was down at $2.20 and a big bounce happened does not mean that for sure this bounce is just going to keep on skyrocketing to the upside. Now, would it be shocking to see this bounce gather some more momentum and push up to 230, 235? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. However, myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that that is for sure going to happen, because there just simply isn't anything as a guarantee in the market. So again, guaranteed of a bounce? No. Is it at least rational to think that there could be a bounce? Is that a logical thought process to have? Absolutely. So now we'll have to sit back and see if this bounce does lead to something more, because like I said, it started from a previous historic area. So we'll see if history can repeat itself. And then before I go into the resistance levels, for all the reasons discussed, and then just from the general framework of things, 220 is very important because, well, if the price actually were to roll back down and then go below 220, at that point, that's now all of a sudden putting the price down at lows that haven't been seen for multiple weeks. And not to insult your intelligence, but from a bullish perspective, from a longs point of view, you definitely don't want to see the price going back to lows that haven't been seen for a long time. You want to see the price making progress. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, the key level to watch going forward, which seems a little bit bizarre right now, is going to be that purple line there. And it seems bizarre because I get it. Yeah, that level's way up there, but that is the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as the week plays out, that line will move itself downwards and get more and more relevant. So keep an eye on that as the week plays out. But all in all, yeah, a very rough day. But like I said, to give some credit, the bulls did show a little bit of a bounce here. So now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this bounce going into Thursday and Friday? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.